this here is the Cube Cycle out of the box. As you can see, you have a very nice brown leather seat here. The outside is made out of wood along with the backs here. And then you have some really nice wheels up front. So if you want to move this around, all you have to do is tip it on its front like that, and it will easily move around. And then once it is on the back feet like that, this thing doesn't move at all. It's pretty heavy, very, very sturdy. Just going over the top here, this is going to be your gauge for resistance. If you turn it all the way to the left, it's going to be at a 1. All the way to the right, you're going to have it at an 8. You do have little pluses and minuses right here to tell you which way to go. So very easy to manage like that. And then you have a screen here to tell you any relevant information about your pace, resistance, things like that. Now I'll move the pedal on this side so you can see it a bit easier. You do have two sides to this. So on this side is just a regular pedal for wearing shoes. And then this side, it says it recommends wearing socks for it. But it does have a little massager. So if you have anything wrong with your feet, carpal tunnel, anything like that, you can go and get a little bit of a bottom foot massage there to kind of break that up, break up any of that tension. So that is very interesting to kind of put that on a product. Haven't seen that before, but really nice of them and thoughtful to do it. So you have either way, either socks and shoes like this, or if you just want to do socks, and there is a note right here to recommend socks, not bare feet. Works better, they say. The quality on the outside is extremely nice. You know, just kind of moving this around, there is absolutely zero sound from the pedals going around, anything like that. It's extremely smooth, so that's really nice. Again, the really nice brown leather seat, very nice and soft. Obviously, if you're not used to riding a bike, you will probably get a little sore the first times you use this, just like getting into any bike riding. It's going to be a little sore. Your lower back, your butt, they're going to hurt. So it's not the seat. The seat's really nice. It's just got to get used to it. So that is one thing. And then in order to change the height of the seat, all you have to do is turn this, and this will start to unscrew. Got to get it a little bit further out. There we go. And then you have fully seat and height adjustment there. And then to lock it into place, all you have to do is tighten it back up to its full thing. And then if it is sticking out at a weird, awkward position, all you have to do, pull this out, put it back down like that, and put it at the position you want. And then it won't be in your way while you're biking. Now, this thing is pretty heavy, so carrying it and moving around isn't going to be the easiest, but it is really nice that they have these extremely nice wheels on the front so you can move it in and out. It is very compact design. Probably this is about 6 inches wide, I would say. And then top to bottom is probably 18 total inches, maybe 18 to 24, somewhere in there. And then you have the seat height. So if you lower the seat, you can really fit this underneath a desk, next to it, anything like that. So very compact, very nice, but is heavy. So just be careful of that. So that's basically going around the entire outside of this thing. Now let's go see how it works in my office. All right, so here's the Cube Cycle set up at my desk. I do have a standing desk here and another standing desk here. These are from FlexiSpot, so if you're interested in a very well-made standing desk at a great price, I'll have links to them down below. But here is the Cube Cycle. Now I can easily just start pedaling. Currently it's at a 4.5 on the tightness of it. So if we go down to 1, I'll kind of show you how easy that is. Now you can just like do this for hours and hours and days and days and days. This is not going to be hard to do from this type of setting. The seat is extremely comfortable. As I said, you know, it's made out of a really nice leather and is soft. You are going to need to get used to it like you do for biking. Your butt is going to hurt after you sit on this for a long time or just do a workout. So, you know, if you do 10 minutes or anything like that, you're going to be fine. Half hour, 45 minutes, you might start hurting. You just need to get those muscles from biking normal. So that'll be your lower back and your butt. But either way, just going and pedaling very nice and easily here. It's extremely comfortable, very smooth in the pedals. I don't hear anything. I don't feel anything. It is very easy. I was testing this before. And if you go to the highest setting, it does get a little more choppy. You can't really get it into a rhythm of just going around. Like you got to push down, push down, push down, push down. Whereas on a bicycle, you know, you kind of get into that rhythm, and it's harder, and you got to push consistently, but it doesn't have that chop. So I found, might be different for everybody, that around the 4.5 to 5 mark is where that chop goes away. Now, like I said, these pedals do have the massager on the bottom. I just have my regular shoes on right now, so not gonna test those with socks or anything, but you can pick whichever one you want, and the seat is fully adjustable. So if you want it a little bit lower, or if you have a standing desk that can't go up high enough, or anything else like that, you can adjust this to the proper level for you. I think this seat is still a little bit low for me. You know, your legs should pretty much extend to the bottom of the floor when you're riding a bike. So I would assume that's pretty much the same for the Cube Cycle. But I really think you can get a great workout on this while just sitting at your desk and working. So if I'm working, you know, I've got my mouse, my keyboard right here, I'm doing anything like that, editing, gonna be very easy. This thing doesn't move at all, it doesn't wobble at all. So you can just sit here, get a nice pedal in, get a nice workout in, and not need to worry about, you know, your mouse or your hands going everywhere. Now, pretty much the same if you were gonna be gaming on this as well for a little bit. So mouse and keyboard gaming, gonna be easy. I would definitely say maybe not in a competitive first-person shooter game mode. That might be a little bit more tough, but just a casual mouse and keyboard game. Now, if you're like me, and I usually game with a controller, you can do it. It is not bad. You're gonna need to be holding it up. Usually when I'm sitting in my desk chair, I kind of sit with my hands on my thighs like this. I guess you could move the microphone if you wanted to, and kind of have your hands on your desk if need be, and then kind of reposition the mic. This is just the microphone I use for my gaming. It's not really what I use. I use this mic for YouTube stuff, but it can be done. Now, if I'm going like this, it needs to be a more casual game because you are using a controller, first person, FPS gaming, things like that. Some of the new games out might be a little bit tough, but just casual gaming like that, you know, you're playing a survival game, Minecraft, Windrose that's out right now, anything like that. Very easy and accessible to do with a controller, but going to be easier with a mouse and keyboard. So just keep that in mind. Now, the build quality of this is absolutely fantastic. It's, like I said before, it's made out of all the wood, really good parts, very stable. And I could definitely see myself using this on the day-to-day just to burn some calories and get moving and grooving if you don't have time to get out on a walk or to the gym. You know, you just got a busy lifestyle, something like that. You got kids, you know, and you just can't get out. So this is a really great option. Now, it does retail for $7.99. Right now it is on sale on their website for $5.99. I will have links below. Any purchases do help me and the channel, so I greatly appreciate that. They did send me this unit. I'm not being paid for review, so this is just my honest review of the Cube Cycle. I am very much enjoying this and looking forward to getting a couple workouts in while I'm working. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments down below. And anything else, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. I will see you in the next video. Peace.